Good. Hey. Got the hiccups. Doesn't like it. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Doing this. You can open your eyes for us. There we go. It's hard to tell the color. They're dark though. I am a week and a half old, right? With the bad hiccups. Gets the hiccups almost every time he eats. It either is right after he eats or after he has a big burp, and then they come. Today we're going to go get pictures taken. Look how light his hair is. It almost looks like it's got a lot of red in it. All right, say bye. Bye.